dryer is making loud noises. If your dryer is making loud noises, there could be several potential reasons for this problem. Here are some of the most common causes. Worn-out drum support rollers. The drum support rollers are what support the drum as it turns. Over time, these rollers can become worn and cause a loud thumping or rumbling noise. Worn-out or damaged belt. The dryer belt is what connects the motor to the drum. If the belt becomes worn out or damaged, it can cause a loud squeaking or grinding noise. Damaged or worn idler pulley. The idler pulley is responsible for maintaining tension on the dryer belt. If the pulley becomes damaged or worn out, it can cause a loud rattling or squeaking noise. See full video links in the description or bio below.